everyone, I am Megan, also known as Megzy TVOG. Thanks for tuning in today. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my September 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag. First things first, Ipsy always sends out a cute little postcard to let you know what the theme of the bag that month is going to be. This month I got this postcard which says, "Find your light." On the inside there are some details about the products that I got. I have not yet looked at this, but on the back it also tells you a little bit about how to get the Ipsy Glam Bag add-ons or Glam Bag Plus. Now for this month's Ipsy Glam Bag, they chose a dusty rose bag with a cute astral pattern right here. There is a white quartz with a gold type of fixture at the bottom as a zipper. And on the inside, it's this dark purple type of lining. I really like how they added the crystal zipper. I think that's super cute. And then on the back, it's just got the dusty rose with the gold accents. So it's got gold accents and a astral pattern on the front. It's super cute. I really like the bag. I cannot wait to use it. Product number one is this Farah brush. It is a contour brush, the 218M brush. That is what I got. Now it may look like these are black bristles, but they're actually like indigo or purple. They're a really pretty color. I really like the texture of this brush and how dense it is whenever you're packing it on. And it feels really nice. I can't wait to use it for contour. Again, this is the Farah 218M brush. So product number two is going to be the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Hydrating Foundation. Right here, it is in shade 1.05. There's 0.24 fluid ounces of product in here, and I cannot wait to give it a try. Smashbox makes some really great primers, some really great lipsticks. I haven't tried their foundation, but I will definitely give this one a go. Product number three is going to be this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. It has watermelon, AHA, and hyaluronic acid in it. It's for radiance and for softening your skin. This product was made in Korea and there is 0.3 fluid ounces inside of it. It has a really fresh watermelon summery smell to it and I really can't wait to use it. It smells so good. Now I've got a product from Skin Iceland. They have solutions for stressed skin, and this is the Icelandic Youth Serum powered by red algae from Iceland. Right here, this is the packaging. Pretty much this serum is for night or morning use. You apply it after using a cleanser and then follow it up with a moisturizer. This is just to give you some more radiance and youthful skin. And the fifth and final product for this month is going to be the Ofra and Madison Miller lip gloss, and this is in shade Smiley for Riley. There's 6 grams of product in here, and I just love Ofra's packaging for their lipsticks. It's so minimal but so cute. This shade is really gorgeous. I can't wait to wear it with like a nude lipstick. I think that'd be the perfect combination. But let me go ahead and apply it to my lips. I think that's a really nice shade. Again, I cannot wait to use this. I just love Ofra, so I cannot wait to give this a go, especially as a lip topper. All right, so that covers all 5 products that I received from Ipsy and the Glam Bag for September 2019. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if we got any of the same products in the comments below. Let me know how I did in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up. Use the link in my description box if you want to sign up for Ipsy. And as always, have a great day and thanks for tuning in. Bye guys!